You hit $10,000 for the first time. Nothing in your life has changed. Same job, same rent, same salary, but something inside your brain just shifted forever. Here's why. Most people save $50 a month and feel like it's pointless. And that feeling? It's not laziness. It's psychology. Your brain refuses to work hard for a goal that feels impossibly far away. Scientists call it the goal gradient effect. We only push hard when the finish line feels close. So most people quit right before everything changes. Think of your money as a snowball. When it's small, it barely picks up anything. But once it reaches a certain size, it grows on its own. At $10,000 invested at 10% returns, your money earns $1,000 a year. That's $83 every single month, without you lifting a finger. But the bigger change isn't the number, it's your identity. Before $10,000, you think like an earner. After $10,000, you start thinking like an owner. Every financial decision looks different now. Every risk feels more manageable. Every next milestone arrives faster. The first $10,000 is the hardest. Every thousand after that, easier. So make $10,000 your only goal right now. Not $1 million. Not retirement, just $10,000. Automate an investment. Even $50 a month into an index fund. Set it. Forget it. Let the snowball start. Because the goal was never just the money. It's who you become on the way to it. Want to know what happens after $10,000? Watch this next.